Hello everybody, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your switch in your electric fireplace. For this we're going to be using a few tools. We're going to be using an electric drill with a Phillips head bit. I always like to have on me a 5-in-1 screwdriver just in case we need it. We want to go ahead and gently lay this on its face so we can get to the screws underneath here, which hold the feet on, which is holding our back in. So we're going to go ahead and remove all our screws. Now that we have our feet off, we can gently bend this up and pull our back out to expose all our wires. Here are our two switches. What I like to do is go ahead and take a picture of the switches. That way you know where all the wires go and how they're properly hooked up. That way if you have to reference it in the future, you have memory of it. So you want to remove all your wires. With wires removed, there are two metal wings holding this into place. What you're going to do is you're going to squeeze it and push outward. And here we have our switch. What you can do is actually take this into an electronics store or home improvement store and they'll be able to match this for you. That way you make sure you get the same exact switch going back into your heater. So you go pick up your switch, put it back into place, and push until you hear a loud click. We go ahead and we hook back up our wires. And then you assemble the back. Put your feet back into place. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you replace the switch on your electric fireplace. Thanks for watching.